go. Okay, guys, so it's the Sparkle Girls, and today we are going to be doing this cookie challenge. It's Halloween. We decided we'd do our cookie kit that we got with you guys, and it includes 8 stamped cookies, 2 cats, 2 goats, 2 bats, and 2 pumpkins. 3 icing tubes, 1 orange, 1 black, and 1 white. And we can also make multicolored balls. There's multicolored balls, I think. I don't know, but I'm just going to see how you open this. I think you open it from here. I don't know. I think I'm just going to open it from here because this seems like it's the spot you open it at. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. So there are a black icing tube, this white tube, and this orange tube with these cookies stamped. This is the ghost. This is the jack-o'-lantern. This is the bat, and this is the kitten. That's the kitten. And then there's these different colored ball guys. I think this is gonna be super exciting to make. Here's some icing. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with my. Okay, guys. So we are back. So we have our 3 icing tubes: the black, the orange, and of course the white. And then we have our colored balls with our cookies, and I'm gonna start with the jack-o'-lantern. I'm gonna start with the kitty. This is what the jack-o'-lantern looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. And let's just get started. So I'm gonna take the white because that's the one that doesn't blend in the best. I'm just gonna put in the white like right here. We're gonna put the white icing here. This isn't gonna work. I've got to. How? Why won't this thing work? Okay. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna take maybe like an orange to use for the eye, guys. So now I'm gonna use this. Then I'm just gonna put it in here. Fill it in. Okay. Guys, this is how mine looks like so far. I added this is how mine from the wax chip looking guys. And now I'm gonna start using the black. So I'm just gonna outline this a bit better. This is not so great at outlining. This is kind of not looking so great, but I guess I have to deal with it now that the icing's on. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this orange, and I'm gonna put some of this, just a bit of orange for its tongue maybe? I don't know. I'm just gonna use the black again, so I can outline just a bit more. These do not work that well, guys. These do not. Like, these really don't work well for me. And now I'm gonna use some orange. Okay, guys, so right now, this is how mine looks. It doesn't look that great, but let's just keep going. Hopefully it looks better soon. And then I'm gonna grab 2 oranges. I'm gonna outline him with this ball here, the black, and this ball here, guys. So I just added 2 balls, and I'm gonna add a few more balls to the top, so hopefully it looks good. Ooh, that kitten's looking good, Charlotte. I'm gonna take some of this orange and put a little drop right there. Put a little drop right here, and I'm gonna put some of the green. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks so far. My cookie, ready to eat it. And I'm going to put a few more at the top so it looks Halloween-y. Let's go. I'm just going to put a little drizzle there. I'm going to put some of these guys. So it's just some black. I'm just going to take some of them out and then just start to put them on the line. Black and, of course, I think orange would look good, so let's try and grab an orange, guys. Okay, I just tried an orange. Perfect. Orange. Guys, this is how it looks. My pumpkin. And I'm trying to make it look super like Halloween-y themed. So now I'm going to put some out here, and I'm just gonna put them to outline the mouth. Like, I really don't care which ones I get. Like, I'm getting just like taking them out, and then I'm basically just putting them wherever I want them to be. You guys probably can't see the black so well, so let's just keep going. I'm gonna put my only orange that's probably gonna be in the mouth, and I'm just gonna like put some orange for an outliner. Oh, that's my orange ball, no. I'm going to okay, so guys, this is how I will show you guys what it's looking like in just a second.
But look what you could do.
Okay. Don't use all of them on yours, because then I'm not going to have none. And we're going to be making a whole bunch. This is how the decorator looks. I just need to get the black. You put it a bit there. Oh my goodness. Where's that orange? I found the orange, and I'm sticking it back on. And this is my yummy, delicious jack-o'-lantern. Charlotte.
But I didn't use all of them.
Okay. So I put this back. This is my jack-o'-lantern, if you guys want to see it one more time. I'm not really going to decorate the outside because I feel like that's just going to like waste the icing. It's pretty thin, so it would take a while. I'm just going to move on to whichever one I get, which is the bat. It's like closest one to me. And I'm going to grab black first, obviously, because black is a pretty good color for a bat. So you're just eating those already?
No.
Guys, my mom, who's out of the video right now, is even laughing.
So this is mine.
And it is nighttime, so it's the perfect time to do this video because it's Halloween. Like, it's right now, not even October, but we're excited to have the Halloween. So we're just doing some Halloween themes in September, and I'm excited for October. Like, I am super excited because mine's is the last one out of all my siblings who are here.
I was the first one.
Now I finally don't have one. Which is, well, I have siblings, obviously. You guys can see one. But I have one more, which is great.
Little baby.
A little baby, Alexander Sizzowitz. And this, I just got my jack-o'-lantern back glued on, so now I'm just going to take some
This is how it is now. This is the finish.
The white doesn't really work well, Mom. Can you help me? She's just resting on the couch.
Oh no.
This won't go on, and I'm trying to get them to have purple eyes.
I'm gonna sweep all of
So where do you want the white? Like in the very
In
center?
the, like, center of the eyes. It's hard to squeeze for me.
Our mom's
This one
right
is
now
really
inside the video.
As you guys can see. My mom's getting the scissors because she thinks it didn't cut that well or something. I don't know. But it's not working, and we only have one eye done. We can't have a one-eyed bat.
Like right here, Mama.
It's gonna be okay. It's pretty big. I'm going to have it to have purple eyes. No, that's black. To have purple. I said purple. I said purple. Put one black there. Now let's grab one more black. Just gonna grab a full hand. I'm just gonna sprinkle a few on my plate. It's good. And the black here. That's one my one-eye spot.
Wow, look what I'm doing, honestly.
Right now I'm getting this like ready. This is my cookie, guys. This is how it looks. Right now I am putting this up. Just putting some tiny ones of the purple all around it. And then that would make it a good eye. A bat. So this is my bat. It looks like a spider right now. I'm gonna maybe do some black. There's not that many black left. There's not that much black.
I know. I know, because I used up lots of it.
Stop using a black for the most part of yours, will ya?
I know, but the back is black.
Oh! You can take some off my plate, you know. I'm not gonna use all of these. No, I don't need green, I need black. So now, guys, I'm just putting these black ball guys. They kind of look like black beads. And I'm just like putting them.
These are not like that much to spill out. They just like can stick up.
That doesn't even look like one.
I know.
And that is her bat.
Ta-da!
The sprinkled jelly doors. And this
Oh,
is
let's go
my
back.
bat. Guys, at the end, you guys, if you want to, could vote on which one was better if you wanted to. You don't have to. But now this is what my pumpkin looks like. That's what's been happening. I really want to eat these cookies bad, but I can't yet. Moving on to my ghost, I'm going to take some of the orange icing.
Oh, well, look. There's not that much of black yet left. Because I'm using black a lot. Don't you see?
Did you see?
Done.
You're just going to color the outside of my ghost? This?
Oh, you still have like
You're
one more
coloring
to
the
do.
inside? Yeah, I have one more. You have one more too. This is mine, but it's not ready yet. I still need black. They're just a little teeny.
Where's white? I need white. Where's the white? Why those? Just.
She's a campaigner. Ah! This is my ghost. Cookie, last but certainly not least, I need my cat. My cat is going to be a purple cat, so let's grab the black or the white.
That's white. Okay. So
Okay?
what? Okay, I'm gonna.
Oops. Lila. But this guy is just going to be my cat. It's going to be a purple and a tailed cat. White's not going to be on eat. Okay. This is going to be a purple tailed cat. I don't know if you guys can really see ours while it's sitting down. Comment down below if you could. Because if you could, we might be able to do another video. We don't know. We might do one for Christmas. And next year, we probably won't be doing one because we are going to be in Florida. Because that's where 2 weddings are happening. We're going to be there for a week and a half. And we're going to be there for like Christmas.
Yeah.
Like we're going to be missing Christmas.
Yeah, that's no fair. We're gonna be missing Christmas all year.
Not all year. Pfft. Okay. Well, moving on with this horrible theme.
Okay, so since the ghosts are white, I'm gonna draw a white ghost.
So far, this is mine. I'm now gonna use black, even though there's not a whole bunch of it. I'm just gonna use black.
I know, because I used a lot of black.
Can you stop saying that?
I know, because I used a lot of black. Oh god, I messed mine up.
I might need like a knife or something. Could I use a knife, please? I need a knife. There's like the mountain of you that's left. Just do like this and it will come out. I need a knife to spread this around because right now it looks like a blobbed cat. This is what it looks like. It looks like a cat with blobbed. Thank you.
Me too.
A butter knife. We'll share this. Although we could have, but this kind of looks like brownie mix right now. I'm just like spreading brownie mix somewhere. But this one looks really good, to be honest. I really want to eat it. Guys, would you want to eat this?
Comment down below.
So I might eat it like right now. I am done making all my cookies, so I'm just eating some of the decorations on my plate.
Almost done.
Comment down below. You guys have 3 seconds to like this video. 3, 2, 1, done. If you guys could do that, comment down below cookies and make sure that you subscribe. And if you guys have ever made cookies before, comment down below what type they were, or have you made any other type of dessert? Bye.
Thanks for watching.